Good morning, students. This is the first class of economics, and I am starting economics with the topic income determination. This is very important topic as far as board examination is concerned. It carries 12 marks. This theory is known as Keynesian theory of income and employment. This theory was given by British economist John Maynard Keynes in the year 1930. This period is called the period of Great Depression. This period was between 1914 to 18 World War One and World War Two 1939-45. At this stage, the world economy was suffering from Great Depression. The depression means it had reached at the rock bottom price where income and consumption were very low. This can be seen in the diagram. uh, this is a curvy linear graph. It is not a straight line graph parallel to x-axis where everything goes smooth. This curvy linear graph shows when it starts dipping. It is a period of recession where economy starts slowing down and reaches at rock bottom. This point is called depression point, and it starts recovering after that and reaches at top and ends at boom, and again this process continues. It is a continuous process. It is a continuous process which keeps on going in everyone's life and every economy and even with world. This can be understood in a better way, the way world economy is suffering today because of coronavirus. The most important thing in an economy is consumption. Consumption is a process of consuming goods and services to satisfy one's want. It is the most important economic activity without which an economy cannot exist. Because all those things which are produced in an economy are ultimately consumed, and if it is not consumed, then it will not be produced and the process of production will not go on. As shown in diagram, we have taken income on x-axis and expenditure on y-axis. The curve AC starts from point O, which is above origin point. At point A, income is 0. The gap between O and A shows the phase where there is no income. It can be seen in the schedule also. When income is 0, consumption is 20. When income is 40, consumption is 50. When income is 80, consumption is 80. At initial two phases, consumption is more than income, and at third place, income is equal to consumption. After that, income starts increasing at a faster rate than consumption. Even if income is 0, consumption is not 0, as we have shown in the diagram. This phase of consumption is called autonomous consumption. Autonomous consumption is denoted by C bar, where consumption is denoted by capital C and income is denoted by Y. You can see another graph where a curve is emerging from origin and going upward. This is a upward sloping straight line which shows aggregate supply. Aggregate supply, this curve makes 45-degree angle from both the axes, that is, it is equidistant from both the axes. This shows that there will not be a supply bottleneck, that is, whatever is demanded that can be supplied by the producer because they have spare capacity. They have spare capacity because this theory was written in depression stage where every organization has excess capacity. They produce less because consumption is low. Consumption is low because of income is low. There are three basic assumptions of this theory, that is, no supply bottleneck is the first assumption. This indicates whatever will be demanded that can be supplied. Second, price remains unchanged. In the diagram, price has nothing to do. Consumption depends on income. It is not related with price. Therefore, price we have taken price as unchanged. Then investment is also constant. Since in depression stage, minimum investment remains continuous and it can be shown with a diagram which I will explain it to you tomorrow with my new video. Thank you.